Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 most hyped upcoming NFT projects. It's going to be part 5. But before I show you the project, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So I'm not going to dive deep into the projects. I'm just going to quickly show you. And if you really want to find out more about the project, you can do research on your own. And again, this is just my personal opinion. So the first project, it's called SteadyStacks. So they already have Genesis collection and it's doing very well on OpenSea, and they're coming out with a second collection. This is not a DGM project. This is actually projects that provide a lot of value in the financial sector, in the tech innovation, and a lifestyle brand. So they have a website. You can see this is the 2 founders, and then they have a Discord. And if we scroll slightly down, they have a premium link. I don't think it's too late to enter, but I think they're going to be minting very quick, like on October 30th or something like that. And as you can see, this post right here is getting crazy engagement, 58,000 likes and 58,000 retweets. But this is due to premium link. This is part of the requirement if you want to enter the referral for whitelist spot. And if we go to OpenSea, as you can see, this is their first collection. And at the time of recording this video, actually price went down a little bit, almost 4 Ethereum. I think for the size of the collection, 2125, and for this bear market, I think this collection is doing amazing. Then the second project, it's called Imaginary Ones. So Imaginary Ones, they're coming out with, I think it's a 3rd collection. They had Genesis collection or the first collection. Then they had a Hugo Boss. It's a smaller size collection. And this is a 3rd one. I'm not entirely sure how big it is, but this is another one. They have a link tree and you can pull it up their website. It actually looks really cool. Go to their Discord and just read and find out about this collection a little more. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, like this post right here, also getting a lot of engagement, 51,000 likes, 51,000 retweets, but this is due to the premium link. Again, like I stated before, as part of the requirement. As you can see, this project is very hyped. At the time of recording this video, they have 422,000 followers on Twitter. And then let's look at their collections on OpenSea and see how they're doing. So the first collection is this one right here, 8,888. And as you can see, the floor price is 0.87, and I think the mint price was 20. So even if we're in a bear market, this collection is still doing very well. Then the second collection, they collabed with the Hugo. As you can see, floor price is 0.52, but the collection size is smaller. So I'm not entirely sure how much that new collection is gonna cost, but they're gonna be coming out with imaginary rights. So it's gonna look like this. And then the 3rd project, it's called Realm Hunter Free Immerse. At the time of recording this video, they have 179,000 followers, and also it's getting crazy engagement on their Twitter posts, like for example this one right here, but again it's due to premium link, and they actually moved their mint date to April 7. So I think you still have a little bit of time to get a whitelist spot, but again it's not gonna be easy. And as you can see, this is going to be incubated by Certify, and they have a link tree. You can check out their website, light paper, and to get a little more information about this project. And they also have a Discord as well. And then the 4th project, it's called ThreeEarsBunny. They have a Discord and they have a website. At the time of recording this video, they have almost 44,000 followers. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent engagement, and this is not even for whitelist spot or for any of that. This is just community participating and liking, retweeting their posts. And for this market, I think it's getting good engagement as well. Plus they already have entire ecosystem built. They have their marketplace and some other stuff on their website, so you can join their Discord and go to their website just to find out a little bit more about this project. And let's take a look at their website really quick. As you can see right here, like I stated before, they have a marketplace. You can connect your MetaMask wallet, and if you have a carrots in your wallet, then you can use the carrots to buy either whitelist spot, OG, or something else, or a couple other things that you can actually use in their ecosystem. And then they have a Discord and they have a Twitter account as well. And then the last project, it's called Symphony. At the time of recording this video, they have 42,000 followers. They have a website, and if we scroll down, as you can see, they also getting a lot of engagement on their Twitter posts. Like for example, this one right here was actually posted on January 13, but it has 8,000 likes and 10,000 retweets. So it's also getting decent engagement on the Twitter post from the community. And then if we go to their website, as you can see, it's a very cool looking website, and you can join their Discord, Twitter, or you can contact them. And then if you scroll down, you can read a little bit more about this project, and then you can see actual team right here who's working on this project, and this is their ecosystem. And this is pretty much it. So this is 5 upcoming NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and at the time of recording this video, in my opinion, their most high project. And every project that I show you in this video, I'm gonna leave link in the description below, and thanks for watching.